Welcome to K-Zone. Today, we will share about US F-35 versus Russian Su-35. Which would win? Fighter jet comparison. Let's start. The comparison between the US F-35 Lightning II and the Russian Su-35 Flanker involves multiple factors, including technology, mission capabilities, pilot training, and strategic considerations. Both aircraft are advanced fourth-generation fighters, but they serve different roles and have distinct design philosophies. It's important to note that hypothetical one-on-one matchups between aircraft rarely occur in real-world scenarios, as air combat involves complex dynamics influenced by various factors. F-35 Lightning II. The F-35 Lightning II, developed by Lockheed Martin, is a family of single-seat, single-engine, all-weather stealth multi-role fighters. The F-35 program encompasses three main variants: the F-35A, conventional takeoff and landing, F-35B, short takeoff and vertical landing, and F-35C, carrier-based catapult launch and arrested landing. The F-35's primary focus is on air-to-ground missions, with a secondary air-to-air capability. One of the F-35's key strengths is its stealth capability, which reduces its radar cross-section and enhances survivability in contested environments. The aircraft's sensor fusion is another critical feature, allowing the pilot to access and interpret data from various sensors in a coherent and user-friendly manner. This enhances situational awareness and facilitates quick decision-making. While the F-35 is not designed as a pure dogfighter like some earlier aircraft, its agility and maneuverability are respectable. The F-35's ability to operate in a wide range of environments, including complex urban and electronic warfare scenarios, adds to its versatility. The F-35 excels in network-centric warfare, seamlessly sharing information with other friendly assets. Its ability to serve as a node in a broader network enhances the effectiveness of joint operations and collaborative mission execution. Su-35 Flanker. The Su-35, developed by Sukhoi, is an evolution of the Su-27 Flanker series and is considered a highly maneuverable air superiority fighter. It is a fourth-generation aircraft with advanced avionics and weaponry. The Su-35 is primarily designed for air-to-air combat but also has a secondary air-to-ground capability. One of the Su-35's standout features is its exceptional maneuverability. With thrust vectoring nozzles and powerful engines, the Su-35 can perform complex aerial maneuvers, including post-stall maneuvers, giving it an edge in dogfight scenarios. The Su-35 boasts a sophisticated sensor suite, including radar systems capable of tracking multiple targets simultaneously. Its infrared search and track (IRST) system enhances its ability to detect and engage targets beyond the range of traditional radar. The Su-35 is equipped with a variety of air-to-air and air-to-ground weapons. Its long-range air-to-air missiles and agile dogfighting capabilities make it a formidable opponent in aerial combat. In a hypothetical one-on-one encounter between an F-35 and a Su-35, several factors would influence the outcome. The F-35 stealth capabilities may allow it to approach the Su-35 undetected, giving it an initial advantage. However, the Su-35's powerful radar systems might still detect the F-35 under certain conditions. The Su-35's superior agility and thrust vectoring capabilities could give it an advantage in a close-range dogfight. However, the F-35's advanced avionics and sensor fusion may allow it to engage the Su-35 from beyond visual range. The outcome would also depend on the specific mission profiles of the aircraft. If the engagement occurs in a scenario where the F-35 can leverage its stealth and network-centric capabilities, it might have an advantage. Conversely, in a close-quarters dogfight, the Su-35's maneuverability could play a crucial role. The skill and training of the pilots involved would significantly impact the outcome. Both aircraft are highly capable, but the effectiveness of any platform relies on the proficiency of its pilot. In reality, the effectiveness of these aircraft goes beyond individual capabilities and depends on the broader context of the mission, the operational environment, and the integration with other friendly assets. The F-35's strength lies in its versatility, stealth, and information-sharing capabilities, while the Su-35 excels in raw maneuverability in air-to-air combat. It's worth noting that military power involves a combination of different platforms and capabilities, and no single aircraft can be universally superior in all scenarios. In a modern air force, the integration of various platforms, each with its strengths, contributes to overall mission success. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, share and subscribe.